how to enable or disable secure boot in Asus laptops. But right now I have Asus UX410, but this method will work with all new laptops of Asus. So right now I'm in the BIOS menu. If you don't know how to get into the BIOS menu, so I will show you from the starting. Now I have just turned it off. Now I will turn on, and I will keep pressing F10 and F2 button together to get into the BIOS, and then I will show you how to enable or disable secure boot in Asus UX410 or in all Asus laptops new models. So as you can see, I'm just keep pressing both buttons. As you can see, here I am. Now you will see here, you can't see secure boot in this area. So what you need to do, simply you need to click on, you need to press F7 button from the keyboard. So it will be in advanced BIOS mode. Okay, we are in advanced mode. Now if you see here, advanced boot and then security. If you go to security and by pressing volume down button, you will see secure button.